Hello everybody, and welcome to this tutorial video on assembling your face shield. To begin, start by taking the rim. This is the part that goes against your head. There's 8 prongs total, arranged in sets of 2, from side to side. There's also 8 holes in sets of 2 from side to side on the face shield. When applying the face shield, make sure the smooth side is what faces against the rim, and that the side with the ridge faces outward. Pop in each prong from side to side until it's all the way attached. Once completed, you've completed the assembly of your face shield. Now it's time to assemble the strap. Take the stretch rope, make a loop at the end, and then put the other end of the rope into the loop and pull tight. Now go to the other side and make a loop as well, and put the end of the rope into that loop and pull tight again. This is the width from side to side, from ear to ear. Now you can apply it into the slots of the face shield. Slide the rope in, make sure the knot is up, pull tight. Go to the other side, slide the rope into the slot, pull tight. You are all ready and have completed the assembly of your face shield. Thank you for watching the video. Enjoy your face shield and have a great day.